Hi traders, today I will discuss one of the important Gujarat based power generation company, that is Torrent Power. Established in 1990s by takeover Mahindra Electricals and renaming it as Torrent Cables. Of course, now that is merged in Torrent Power in 2014. Torrent Power has presence in power generation, transmission, distribution and manufacturing and supply of power cables. The company has a total operational power generation capacity of 4100 megawatts through its gas-based and coal-based thermal power plants in Gujarat. In shareholding of the company, FIs increased their stake from 6.4% to 8.43% in this latest June quarter. In total market capitalization 88,746 crores, DI is holding 19.53%. And in mutual fund holdings, from the top of the table, Axis ELSS Tax Saver Fund invested in Torrent Power 1916 crores. Axis Focused Fund invested 1000 crores. SBI Magnum Midcap Fund invested 770 crores. When coming to recent Q1 results, Torrent Power performed very well, with revenue increased to nearly 23% compared to last year June quarter, and net profit increased 87%. Coming to price action, in financial year 23-24, Torrent Power has given 165% returns, and in this financial year 24 April to July, 36% returns given. Present stock is trading at 1851 rupees. In this week, why I am discussing Torrent Power? From April to July, almost 4 months, it is consolidated between 1300 to 1600 rupees. On July 31st, that price range would breaks out and closed at all-time high price 1851. After breakout, price may go to the retesting at 1700 level. For short-term investors, I am suggesting to add Torrent Power in your portfolio at the price range 1700 to 1750 level. Thank you.